All around us, the universe, nature, takes care of all the slight rings on earth. Sounds of nature can boost the healing power that affects every person. It can also harm your mental, physical, and emotional health. Depending on the type of sound you are exposed to on a daily basis. How much attention do you give to the sounds you are familiar with? What do you think it means?
A lot of people try to relate sound to music. Sound is music and music is sound as well. But if you take sound out of music, you know, we should ask ourselves, what do we have left? Music is imbibed in sound, and sound is imbibed in music.
So this is Papa. He is a gospel artist. He loves to play the piano and teaches music as well.
Out of sounds, we can create music. But out of music, I don't think we can create sounds.
Okay, so you're a singer, right?
Yeah, let's say that.
Oh, why are you saying let's say that? You have to be specific, like
I'm a singer.
you're a singer. Okay. So when did you know that you could sing? When did you realize that you actually can sing?
Even when I was 5 to 6 years old. Okay, so around that time, we used to have this DVD, and we used to play Celine Dion songs throughout. I think every day, and when I come back from school, I find myself singing those songs. So I realized that when I'm even going to bath or when I'm preparing to go to school, I sing along and I learned the song word for word. So that's when I got to know that there's something for me when it comes to singing.
So every day from Mondays to Friday, we are always exposed to sounds, we are always exposed to nature in general, and we are always hearing sounds, some of which we are used to, and some of which too that we are not used to. There are some sounds too that we don't really pay much attention to, like, the birds chirping, frogs doing their own thing. I don't know how to call that one. Yeah, you see the sounds of wind blowing, all these things. we assume that is a normal thing to like hear, but they all contribute to our physical, our emotional and mental health in a way. So yeah, so sounds are really important. If we are exposed to sounds that are not pleasing to the ear and not that good every day, it has a negative effect on our mental health, emotional health, physical health, our productivity. If let's say you work in an area where uh, you are exposed to a lot of sounds that are mentally draining, that are not pleasing to the ear, and every day you have to go to work, every day you are being exposed to this kind of sound, like it's going to make you less productive, it's going to make you tired. But we don't know that sound contributes to our feelings. If you are not exposed to the right sounds on a daily basis, it is likely that you're going to be anxious for the most part. So I'm here to create awareness that whatever you hear every day contributes to your physical well-being, and you can control what you hear every day. Even though you're working in an environment that is not safe with regards to sounds, you can take a break to places that is going to help you to be more productive. All these things contribute to our well-being. So yeah, that is the awareness that I want to create. That is the purpose for which I made this video. That sounds contribute a greater part of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being in your life, whether you know it or not.